In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix. To get started, open your site in the Wix Editor so you can work directly on the page where your text appears. Once you are inside the editor, go to the section of your canvas that contains the text you want to animate. Click on that text box to select it. This is important because Wix only shows the text-specific controls once the element is actively selected. After the text box is selected, look for the floating action bar that appears near it. On that bar, click the Animation and Effects icon. This opens the animation panel, where you can choose how your text behaves and appears on the page. This is where the creative part begins, because Wix gives you several different animation categories depending on the kind of effect you want. First, you can explore entrance animations. These control how the text appears when it first loads onto the screen. For example, you may see effects like fade, shutter, or float in. These are useful if you want your text to make a strong first impression without overwhelming the rest of your design. You can also review hover animations. These play when a visitor moves their mouse over the text. Effects in this category can include options like grow, spin, or turn. Hover animations are great for adding interactivity, especially if you want users to feel like the page responds to their actions. Next, take a look at loop animations. These are designed to repeat automatically and can include effects such as spin, flash, or swing. Since loop effects continue cycling, it's a good idea to review each one carefully and choose something that fits your site's overall style rather than distracting from it. Another option is scroll animation. This makes the text move as the user scrolls up or down the page. Scroll effects can add a dynamic seal to a page and help guide attention as visitors move through your content. Once you've chosen the animation type you want, click the Customize button in the animation panel. This gives you more control over the final result. You can adjust settings like duration, which changes how fast or slow the animation plays, delay, which determines when it starts, direction, which affects where the movement comes from, and distance, which changes how far the text travels. Take a moment to fine-tune these settings until the animation looks exactly the way you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished and professional your site feels. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.